Keiga tree. An dafriher, the adverb. You may have noticed at the end of 52 there is also a bunch of review. I didn't go over that because it's in the other chapters. So here's a nice easy one again. The adjective, if you put g before it, becomes the adverb. Very simple. So gama, in a good way, well. Gahulk, in a bad way, badly. Anything that we end with ly is an adverb, describes the action and how you do it. So there it is. Also, adverbs of time sometimes fall into this. Gebrach, forever, in the future. Geleer, all, encompassing a group of all. And then you have a few other things in here besides the g adverbs. You have riv, ever, in the past. Igoni, always. It can also mean still. Then you have some directional words, suis and shis, up and down. Ishtach, going in. Ishtig, inside. Amak, going out. Amwig, outside. Awaya, towards home. Sawaya, at home. Okay, so static or movement in those. Got to remember the difference. Fos, yet. Freshen, also. Ilaher, present. Aslaher, absent. Feilaher, presently. That's a strange one. At present. Ercherebi, at all. And urente, sometimes. There's a few different time words there. And that's all the vocabulary, so it's just a matter of putting them in the sentences and studying them. That's 53.